Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today's video, I am so excited because I finally received my P.Louise Budget Box for the month of November. Now these do ship at the end of every single month, so that's why I'm a month behind. Plus these do ship from the UK, so that's why I am filming this like literally mid-month. But I am so excited to show you guys what I got in here, so if you want to see that, then just keep on watching. First of all, the box this month is just enormous. It is heavy. It is a big girl. She a thick bitch. I think it's too early to curse. She thick. She thick. So we're gonna open her up and we're gonna get right into this. What should I start with, huh? What should I start with? I think I should start with the palette. Guys. What the hell do they expect you to do with all of these? Genuine question. What do they expect you to do with this? The first item I got in my P.Louise Budget Box for the month of November is If Looks Could Chill palette from P.Louise, obviously. Defrosted my heart all at once. These flutters got me in a frosty flurry. You take your time to freeze me slowly cause you're never in a hurry. Across the snow, if looks could chill, then babe, I would be frozen. Cause the moment you glanced over at me, it felt like I was chosen. There's an ongoing theme with Willy Wonka in these boxes. Now, I'm going to be completely honest with you. I did use these products already because I wanted to include the clips of me using these products. But here is the palette. This is thick. Okay, this is wild to me. I don't know where I'm supposed to put this. I'm moving soon, so I will obviously get more space, hopefully, when I move. But right now, this is just, it's huge and I have no idea where to put it. But I love the presentation. I freaking love the presentation. This is insane. You get the biggest mirror of life and it's super clear. You can see everything, including the show I was watching. And then you get these beautiful blues. I wanted to compare this palette to the Michaela palette, so let me grab my Michaela palette. Y'all, I'm gonna have to do some editing magic here, but just for a quick glance, I feel like the Michaela palette has a lot more lighter blues and lighter tones. So here are the two palettes next to each other. I do see a lot of differences, although I do think there are a lot of similarities as well. I love that the Michaela palette has the purples. I feel like that makes it a lot different than this palette, but also that this palette, If Looks Could Chill palette, it has this beautiful mint row on the bottom that I'm just obsessed with. And you get a black in this one. You don't get a true black in the Michaela one. I love the P.Louise has extremely unique packaging, and I love the incorporation of the drawer. I think that's so cool. I love that the drawer pops off so you don't have to worry about holding it up like this, even though I wish, hear me out, I wish that the inside would also pop off like that, like maybe like make it magnetic, because holding this up to show you like what shade I was using was the fucking worst. I also like accidentally caught my finger while I was trying to hold it up. I think it was this finger in the fucking palette, and that shit fucking hurt like a, so like, yeah, be careful. Don't be clumsy like me, okay? Take care of your fingies, because that hurt and I just had to like act like it didn't. Continue filming. So for my first eye look, I used the minty shades. I really wanted to go in with those minty shades first, but if I'm being completely honest with you, the mint shades is what gave me the most trouble in this palette. I don't know why, especially the shade Keep Toasty. I didn't want to work with the rest of the mint shades, so I don't really know. Also, that's what She Sled like didn't want to blend out either, and a lot of the mint shades didn't want to blend out, and I guess that makes sense. Green is harder to formulate than blue, so I can see why that's a thing. I enjoyed the shimmers on the mint side. I think they're so unique, and the slight differences between the two really do show up on the eyes as well. I really love it. I love that I was able to make a mint green look more grungy. I didn't think that would be possible. but I thoroughly enjoyed it. And I also really enjoyed the shade Icicles. I think it's such a nice icy mint color. I feel like all over the lid, the shade Icicles would be so pretty. And then for my second eye look, I just took the shade Winter Wonder and I put that all over my lid. I blended it out with the shade Snowfall, which is this super unique shade. I haven't seen a shade like this. It's a white that has a blue undertone. And I've never seen a shade like it. So it has such a subtle blue undertone, which makes it so nice to blend out these blues. For shimmers on this eye, I took the Frozen one and Ice and Easy. I loved both of them, but if I had to pick a favorite, I think Ice and Easy would be my favorite because I just really liked that one in particular. Would I have purchased this palette if it wasn't a part of this box? No. Only because I did purchase the Michaela one and I did not know that this was coming in the budget box before I bought that one. I really enjoyed this palette. I can't wait to play with it some more. I love the 2 looks I was able to create and I hope you guys did too. The next item I am pulling out of my box is the But Baby It's Cold Outside Powder Blush Palette. So we have each other cuddled up and staying cozy. When we do catch a chill, our faces flush and cheeks go rosy. Baby, it's cold outside. Stick it with me. I suggest we keep warm. Safe and sound, snug as a bug, away from the snow and the storm. We'll sit by the fire, we'll talk through the night. At the end of the day, we'll turn out the light. We have each other cuddled up and staying cozy. When we do catch a chill, our faces flush and cheeks go rosy. So blush with me, babe, warm up and show me how you feel. Once I see a flutter of pink, I'll know these feelings are real. I love their little poems. They're so freaking cute. Now wait till we get into this. Look at it. Look at it. Oh my god. This is beautiful. I love blush, okay? And did I need this? No. But how freaking cute is it, okay? I will use all these shades. I will because I love pink blush. And all these are a variation of pink blush. You have more like cooler tones on this side. You get a little bit of warmer tones on this side. I love it. The formula is so nice. And I did use my new bling brush for this. I was so scared. But this set is so much nicer. I want to make a video on it. It's coming. But just as a quick update for you, the brush is fixed and I will share what was wrong with them earlier. Stay tuned. But I got the brushes. They're beautiful. But this is what I used. A little smaller than my usual like blush brush, but I loved it because I was able to just dip in here and be messy as shit on my cheek and it looks good. It looks so nice still. I have no complaints with this palette. I just used this shade. The pan embossings are so adorable. I really like the way this showed up on my cheeks. I love the color I chose to use first. I think it looks good with both of my eye looks and I'm so happy with it. I love like the little holiday theme. And last but not least, in my box, I did receive Babe, You've Got Me Smitten, and this is a lipstick palette. Now, I haven't seen a lipstick palette in a long time. And I was kind of like, that's a weird choice to put in a box, but okay. Kiss me quickly, these lips are cold, warm me up with your hand to hold. Wrap up tightly with hats and mittens, full seasonal spirit and festive traditions. A walk through the frost and a dance in the snow, home to freshly baked biscuits and mugs for hot cocoa. Of all my favorite things, there's one in my heart, goes without saying, I knew from the very start. Might not always show it, and sometimes my love stays hidden, but trust me babe, I'm forever yours and eternally smitten. So this is a lipstick palette. You get a lot of different colors and a large range, which I love. If you are a makeup artist, this is perfect for you, okay? This is going to get so much use if you're a makeup artist. If you're not a makeup artist, however, I don't see how practical this is. I mean, maybe it is a little easier to travel with this than to travel with 15 lipsticks, but I don't know. I don't have enough experience using one of these to be like, this is worth it. The formulas are very nice. The colors are very nice. For me, I used the Blinged Brushes E66 brush. It has like this pointed tip I feel like was perfect for this. I used my Hard Candy Boyfriend lip liner. I used this brown shade and I lined right where Boyfriend was. I relined it with this shade just so I can give me a nice blend with the other shade I used. I used this shade next, and then I went over that with a little bit of this shade, and then I topped it with the lightest shade so it can give my lips more of like a poutier look. This is genius to have in this palette because it looks like a concealer, but it is not. It's a lipstick, and you tap it in the center and it literally gives you like the cutest poutiest look. I love that. My favorite shade here though, I gotta say, is probably this shade right here. We're missing nudie pinks in this palette. I feel like there's so much beige nude going on. I wish we could have swapped these three for like maybe like one or two more pinky shades. I feel like that's why I really like this shade a lot in this palette. But overall, I think it's a very cute palette. I will definitely use it. I don't know how often I will use it. I don't know if it's easier to travel with this or 15 lipsticks. You guys can let me know what you think. But I love the packaging of everything. Everything was so cute. Now, I don't know the retail prices of any of these items because I think they are subscription items only. Sometimes they do release their items for like public, but like I don't think these were. That was my P.Louise budget box for the month of November. I loved it so much. I think it's so festive, and it definitely came in time right before Christmas. I don't know if you're gonna see this before Christmas because Christmas is on Sunday, but I'm filming this on Thursday the 21st, so it arrived like just in time, and I feel like even more festive than I've been feeling this past week, so I am just really excited. Don't leave though, because I have a holiday giveaway. You guys, I've been really behind on my giveaways, but it's fine. It's just the season for giving. It doesn't only have to be on Christmas. It's the season. It's the entire season. So let's get into what you can get in giveaway number 3. I will have the rules up on screen. Please read them. Please follow them. Please go to the Google form. That is the only way I can do these giveaways without scammers. So please, please, please. Alrighty, the first thing I am pulling out of here are the Profusion Cosmetics Ethereal Butterfly Soft Matte Lip Creme Set. I've not tried this, so I don't know how this is, but I bought it thinking I was going to use it, and then I was just like, why am I going to open more lip products when someone else can get use out of this? So I'm excited that someone else is going to get this. And keeping up with the lip products, I have an Ofra Long Lasting Liquid Lipstick. This one is in the shade Miami Fever, so you can have a little piece of Miami. I have the So Juicy Lizzie McGuire Gloss. This one is in the shade Lizzie, and I will show the color, but I am not showing anything else. So this is the Lizzie lip gloss, and I think it has a bubblegum scent. And a Ofra lip gloss in the shade Glam. The next item is a Levito body lotion. This one is musk and coconut, not my vibe, but I hope it's someone else's vibe. And then I have the Ofra Sparklights Topper. This one is in the shade Iconic. I am giving away the blusher from Ofra. This one's in the shade Squad. And I am giving away the Ofra Rodeo Drive highlighter. This one's in the shade Brentwood. The last item is this little e.l.f. bite-sized eyeshadow palette. This one's in the shade Truffle. And that is everything in giveaway number 3. If you want to enter, please follow the rules. I will have them again up on the screen for you. Thank you guys so much for being a part of this channel, for being a part of my journey. I am so thankful to have each and every single one of you here, and I love having a community of people to talk about makeup with, because I've spent so much of my time bothering my boyfriend about it that it's just so nice, and I wanted to give thanks. So this is my way of saying thank you. And please remember to join the form for the giveaway entry, and good luck to everyone. And that is it for today's video, you guys. I am so excited to have these giveaways. I'm so excited to be able to give back to you guys in a way where it doesn't feel stressful to me. I just want to do this at my own pace. I want to give them away at my own pace. So just thank you guys for allowing me to do this. I appreciate each and every single one of you Literally, y'all are the best. I'm convinced I have the best people here, so thank you so much for watching and for hanging out with me as always. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more videos, and I will see you in my next one. Bye. This drawer being like this will be my 13th reason why. Reason. Here is my Michaela palette. Okay, this bitch is humongous also. And I keep buying them. Like, where the fuck am I gonna put these? Alright. Y'all, I love P.Louise, but god damn. Where am I supposed to put all this shit? Damn, like, I want to support the brand because, like, they make good quality stuff. But at some point, I think I'm gonna have to quit because I can't. Oh, shit. Before you got me,